We're going to talk today about Synergy Medical Weight Loss. This is a program that we have been offering in the office now for over 7 years. Great success, but we want to talk a little bit about just weight loss in general, kind of what brings patients in, what we've seen over the years. So patients as well as some physicians ask, it's like, well, Dr. Kuhlman, what is it that makes your program different than most? And when we got our program set up, the big thing is I wanted to just see, what is it that really people have done in the past, but what is it that actually we want to do? And that's actually to get people to just get back to the basics of eating healthy in the proper amounts with daily exercise. And a lot of people is like, oh, daily exercise, go to the gym, whatever. We see a ton of it, especially sometimes beginning of February, where a lot of people in January, they get the New Year's resolution, they go to the gym, and they don't have as much success as that they wanted to. And what we find is that a lot of times people push it too hard when it comes to working out. We believe that working out is pretty easy. It's basically walking. We want to set up the body so that it just burns fat to produce energy instead of all of a sudden us just breathing harder and taking more oxygen into the system to create energy instead of just to burn fat. So, a lot of people have been kind of brainwashed that you have to really sweat and kill yourself to lose it. But a lot of patients that are extremely overweight, they have knee problems and things like that, and they can't. And our big thing is, but I can get you to walk. So walking is a huge aspect of our program. The other aspect is, again, getting people just to eat proper food, whole foods. That's our big push, is that we want people to eat whole foods. Non-processed, as we say, if Mother Nature made it or you killed it to eat it, we're good to go. And we don't do any diet things on it whatsoever. So we don't allow diet drinks. We don't allow anything that's diet, period, because it's not how nature meant us to eat. The other thing that we watch a ton of is making sure that we eat to supply enough energy to control what we call blood sugar. When we eat a meal, the max typically we can get out of that meal to sustain blood sugar, which is our energy level, is about 4 hours. But the thing is this is a living organism. It does what it needs to survive. Whether we want it to or not, it's going to get what it needs. And that's where a lot of diets don't work, because they take and they say, this is what you can eat. This is the only thing that you can eat. But the thing is that if your body is craving something because it needs some mineral or vitamin that it knows it can get from this type of food, guess what? You're going to wind up eating it because the body needs it. And if you don't, then we wind up malnourished, which is not what we want. So the big aspect of the Synergy program is to get people just to understand about their own bodies, to start to learn to eat natural foods in a correct quantity, as well as to make sure that we're walking daily so that we really burn calories. We burn the fat instead of not burning fat. There are some other aspects to the program that we go into, but I'm not going to do that today because there's a lot of information. But if any of what I said today kind of piques your interest, or if you would like to, you can come in for a free consultation at the office, get more information. Big thing is we want you educated. Educated patients do better than non-educated. So with that, reach out to us on social media. Give us a call at the office, get in for your free consultation, and let's get you on your way to health. And with that, you guys have a great day.